Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary table full guide. Start by defining the purpose of your table and choose the key variables to compare right away. Use concise labels and consistent units so the reader can scan quickly. Decide on columns and rows that reflect your main questions and plan any subtotals or highlights before you enter data into your favorite tool. In this section, I will walk through simple design rules for crisp summary tables. Pick a clear font size, align numbers on the decimal point, and keep column widths balanced for neatness. Use bold or color sparingly to emphasize totals or critical comparisons. Remember that white space is your friend, and a clean layout helps viewers absorb information faster and with less effort. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps water cold, fits cup holders, and has a handy spout for one-handed sipping, which is perfect during long editing sessions. I love the leak-proof design and the easy carry handle. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will cover practical tools and a reliable workflow to build tables efficiently. Start with a template in your spreadsheet or document app, import or paste clean data, and apply formulas for totals and percentages. Validate entries against source material and use filters to test different views. Save versions and export a copy for sharing so you preserve the original while iterating on layout and content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.